Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Catherine by Mandela Highway. This is by ferry. And we are going to talk about a massive development taking place out here. The UDC is going to be building the Raintree commercial complex. Now, Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. I'm actually very surprised that the land adjacent to this road has not been developed before. I'm really surprised. Now, recently, somebody built a gas station on Mandela Highway. It's now the busiest gas station in Jamaica. They built a complex, 876 commercial complex, massive complex. Some of the largest warehouses in Jamaica are located there. So the land beside Mandela Highway is prime real estate for commercial development. So the UDC now is going to be building another commercial complex over here, and this is the actual land where they're going to be doing it. This is actually right beside the ferry police station. Now, with the amount of traffic that Mandela Highway has, it should do well. But there's another reason. Mandela Highway connects you to both highways in Jamaica, both major highways. Highway 2000 east-west leg that takes you from St. Catherine, or basically from Kingston, all the way to Mandeville now. That highway is going to go to Negril and Montego Bay, but those legs have not been built yet. Mandela Highway also connects you to Highway 2000 north-south leg that takes you to Ocho Rios, and that highway is going to be expanded to Trelawney soon, and then eventually into Montego Bay. So this road gives you access basically to all the major highways in Jamaica. So it's a perfect location for a commercial complex. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on the Raintree commercial complex. The Urban Development Corporation UDC is leading an innovative commercial development initiative aimed at revolutionizing business infrastructure in Jamaica. The project, Raintree Commercial Complex, located just outside Kingston at Caymanas Estate in Ferry St. Catherine, will provide lots for commercial and light industrial purposes with all essential amenities in place. Development of the 68 lots is projected for completion within 12 to 18 months. Speaking at the opening ceremony, open house, General Manager UDC Robert Honeygun said people are engaging with the concept as it allows the commercial market to walk into a turnkey development. What we're doing here is a commercial center that has all the amenities. You are talking about service lots, water being in place, sewage, electrical, roadways with a main access gate. It gives you first world finished amenities, and that's massive for the market, he noted. Mr. Honeygun expressed anticipation of seeing businesses moving towards construction, leveraging Raintree's facilities to develop their operations. We are business first, and we want businesses to accelerate their growth so that growth can be accelerated within the Jamaican economy, providing more jobs for people and more revenue for the country, he added. Mr. Honeygun noted that with the complex being close to Kingston, it gives us opportunities for trade and shipping, assembly and manufacturing, especially to the United States, our largest trading partner. And this is wonderful access to the market. So everyone should think about this opportunity. It doesn't come every day. Given the limited availability of lots and time constraints, interested parties are encouraged to secure their participation in this groundbreaking venture promptly. Further details can be obtained by visiting the UDC's website. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update article. So, let us know what you think. This is another major development for St. Catherine. Alright, guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.